Welcome to Camp Corona Day 29, a virtual, imaginary vacation land. Today, as always, we have 5 activities for you. Number 1 is our art project. And to do this, you need some crayons, whatever colors you want. Might be better to have slightly darker ones than very light ones. A piece of paper folded in half, and some leaves. The leaves that I have here are actually honeysuckle leaves. And I broke off a branch, and I'm going to put the leaves like this with their ribbed sides up. You know, leaves have a smooth side and a side where you can see sort of the veins in the leaves. Put that side up, fold your paper down, take a crayon and just rub over the leaf and see what a nice picture of the leaf you can get by doing that. So I did 3 different leaves, and you can see the one with the orange doesn't show up nearly as well as the one with the blue and green. But whatever leaves you can find out in your yard, it's a nice little project, and you could arrange the leaves in different patterns or whatever. Number 2, I want to talk a little bit about camp food, but actually camp water. When we're camping, we often have to take a bucket and go down to the lake or the river and fill it up to get water for drinking, or get water for washing our dishes, or water for washing our clothes. Here at Camp Corona, we are really lucky that other people do all that water work for us, and we just have to turn on the faucet. So today might be a good day to think about thanking the water workers for giving us all the water we need. Number 3, camp equipment. Now I want to show you just a little piece of camp equipment. This is a tiny first aid kit, and in it I have some Neosporin, which if you get a cut, you might put on your cut, some chapstick in case your lips get chapped, some Advil in case you get a headache, some cleansing wipes so that if you get a cut, you can clean it off with one of these cleansing wipes, and a bunch of Band-Aids. And this is a very different size Band-Aids, so different shaped cuts. So it's always good to have some kind of a first aid kit with you when you go camping. Number 4, today, as always, write in your journal 5 things you did, 5 things you didn't do, 5 things you wanted to do. Like yesterday, I planted some cyclamens. Here's a cyclamen that's still inside my house. I planted some cyclamens in the pots out on my deck. Camper Greg was nice enough to go to the nursery to pick up these plants for me, and they really brightened my day to see them sitting out there on the deck. So I want to tell you that the activity number 5 will be in part 2, Camper Cindy going on a hike and finding something really special. So she'll be telling us about that. Send me your suggestions. Let me know what you're doing. If you've got activities for me to talk about, let me hear them. Happy camping!